Hello there. In this video, we're going to talk about rectangular coordinates. Now, rectangular coordinates is opposed to something called polar coordinates, which is a video for the future. For now, we're just understanding how to graph basic points in a coordinate plane. So the first thing we need to understand is when we have our coordinate plane, our horizontal axis is our x-axis, and our vertical axis is our y-axis. And we always can just think of these in alphabetical order. When we've got the coordinate pairs listed out, our x-coordinate is our first and our y-coordinate is second. That means when I am working through the coordinate plane, I'm moving left or right first, up or down. Now, how do I move left or right? Well, the horizontal axis behaves like a normal number line. The values get greater as they go to the right, and they get less as they go to the left. Okay. Now, y, when we're graphing, we go left or right first. For y, we go up or down. Is up positive or is down positive? Well, keep things simple. We defined it as up being positive. So as you go up, the numbers will get greater, and as you go down, the numbers will get lesser. So now, in addition to that, let's name the quadrants. This is typically thought of as quadrant 1, using Roman numeral I, mainly because it's the positive direction. It's the most commonly used, and if you think about some branches of mathematics, a lot of times numbers are positive. So we'll deal with the positive nature of this as being quadrant 1. And then at some point in the development of this math, the creators of the rectangular coordinate plane decided, let's go in counterclockwise order. So this would be quadrant 2. This is the minus plus. And then this is quadrant 3. This is the minus minus. And then this is quadrant 4. This is plus minus. So when we're getting used to this, you can write these out and check to make sure it is where it's supposed to be. So let's start by graphing point A. That's 4, 2. So that means I'm moving 4 units to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm moving 2 units up, 1, 2, and I'll go ahead and label my point A. I'm not connecting these or anything, so it doesn't matter where I label my point. Now, these are both positive numbers, and I'm in the positive quadrant, so I'm good. So let's talk about B, negative 3, 1. That means I'm moving 3 units to the left, 1, 2, 3, and then 1 unit up. So this would be point B. Point C, negative 6, negative 1. That means I'm moving 6 units to the left and then 1 unit down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1 unit down. Forgive me if I am not exact. D is 1, negative 4. So that means I'm moving 1 unit to the right and 4 units down. Notice on all these I'm saying left or right first, and then I'm going up or down. So 1 unit to the right, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 units. That's D. Now, E is 0, 4. We get an interesting one here because the x value is 0, which means I'm not moving left or right. From the origin, I am staying at 0, and then I'm just counting up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the typical way a coordinate pair is written when you have something on the y-axis. Likewise for F, we got negative 3, 0, so we're counting 3 units to the left. But then we're not going up or down, so we're just plotting a point right there on the x-axis this time. Go ahead and give this video a like or subscribe if you enjoyed it, and leave a comment if you have any math questions you'd like to see in the future. Thank you for watching.